how can you acknowledge small wins to others? Simple good job.
Oh, like,
It helps you, it helps someone a lot eh. 'Di ba? Parang minsan yung mga small effort na nakita natin towards someone at nakita natin yon na kung paano niya binigay yung
paano
ultimate
niya,
best niya,
nag-effort.
nag-effort siya regardless of the result. Yung 2 words na good job, malaking bagay na yun eh.
Totoo
Uy,
yun.
okay yan ha. Okay yan, ayos, tuloy mo yan. Words are very powerful.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
It can, alam mo yun, it can
change the mood of that person.
It can change the mood of the person. Yung words natin, it can help someone. And it can also destroy someone.
Yes.
Diba? So, that's why we need to be very careful with our words and we need to be very sensitive mismo with the other people. Parang ganun.
In relation to that, kasi we don't know ano yung pinagdadaanan ng iba.
Tama.
So, we need, ang pinakamaganda lang, ay pinakamaayos na magagawa natin is be kind to others.
Yes, tama.
Whether kahit sino yan,